So now we're working on 4.1 and we're going to go down to 8, D as in David. So here's the context. It says Sophia is celebrating her quinceañera. Isabella knows the perfect gift for Sophia, but it costs $400. Isabella can't afford to pay this on her own, so she's asking friends to help and join in and share the cost. So 8 says each statement gives information about the number of people donating or the amount each of an equal donation. If the donation is given, find how many friends are donated. If the number of friends is given, then find the donation. So basically what's happening, you have $400 and you're assuming that all the friends that are contributing the same amount of money. So D says the number of friends is the same as the number of dollars each donates. So you're thinking of what does that mean? So let's go back to A really quick, just so that we have like some practice, because jumping into D is a little bit difficult. So if it's $400 and each friend donates $100, how many friends would you need? Yeah. So this is just 400 divided by 100 equals to 4. Very good. Right. And similarly, you would do the same exact thing here. So here it's saying that the number of friends is the same as the number of dollars each week. Okay. So I'm going to use the same principle here. So the number of friends is the same as the dollars. So that would be 400 divided by X equals X, right? That's basically your equation, right? So if I solve this, I would have to multiply both. Let me show you over here. So I would go 400 divided by X equals X. There's some assumptions that you can make when you're solving an equation like this. Because of this context, you already know X can't be 0, right? Because what we talked about before. So then the way I would solve this is I would multiply both sides by X, because I like X on the same side. So then we get 400 equals to X squared. And then how do you get rid of this squared? Yeah, you square root it. Very good. And then, so if you're a student, Miss Johnson, you know that you also have to take the plus or minus of that. So it's plus or minus 20. Negative actually doesn't make sense in this case, right? The negative doesn't make sense. So I'm going to throw him out. He doesn't make sense. This would be called like an extra solution based on the context of the situation. The math word for that is called extraneous. This is an extraneous solution based on this context, right? You can't have negative 20 people, so that doesn't make sense. That's why I threw them out. So therefore, the answer is going to be 20 people are going to donate $20 each. Does that make sense? Really good job. Very good.